Hi, welcome to the Parenting Reset. This is Divya, your parenting educator and your mom friend. I come here every day to answer one question that I get on my DMs, that I get on Instagram, on Facebook, and sometimes on the comments in the YouTube as well. और आज का सवाल बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि लेट मी टेल यू एट सम पॉइंट इन योर पेरेंटिंग जर्नी ना आपने भी ये पक्का सुना है अपने बच्चे से और वो सवाल क्या है आई हेट यू मम्मा I hate you, Papa. So this question has come from Vishal. Vishal says, "Hi, I'm a dad of 7-year-old. Okay, I love my daughter a lot. However, lately मैं जैसे ही उसको किसी चीज़ के लिए मना करता हूँ, the first thing she says is, I hate you, Papa. You don't understand me. And then she goes. This really breaks my heart. Should I give her what she wants? Sometimes I don't want to, but because I don't want to feel bad, I give it to her. How many of you feel like that? Okay, when children say, I hate you, do you really think they hate you, or do you think that it is an emotion behind their so much feeling so overwhelmed? Okay, before we even go into how to deal with it, let's understand हो क्या रहा है बच्चे के दिमाग में. Children generally will not say I hate you when you give them chocolates, ice cream, screen time, you let them play with their friends, you don't ask them to do homework, right? That time they will never say I hate you. That time everything is going as per how they want. But the moment you tell them, you start setting a boundary, you start telling them नहीं ये करना है, they start feeling restricted. When they start feeling restricted, what happens is suddenly they will snap because they do not have the vocabulary to tell you कि यार मुझे ये करना है. They feel frustrated with how you're dealing with it, and they do not have the vocabulary to argue with you. Sometimes you're not even listening. They don't even have an argument, and sometimes just out of frustration they come and say, I hate you, you never let me do anything, you're controlling everything that you're asking me to do, and so on and so forth. Now let me tell you, there's a very good thing here. If your child can openly say this to you now, that I hate you, that means your child feels safe with you. वाई बिकॉज अगर आपका बच्चा उन बच्चों में से होगा जो सब कुछ अंदर भरता रहता है एंड सब कुछ जो अपने अंदर लेता रहता है कि मेरी गलती है, समथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी, दे विल नेवर से आई हेट यू. बट इफ इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल चाइल्ड हु फील्स सेफ विद यू, who knows that even if मैं चीखूंगा या चिल्लाऊंगा, my parents will still love me, they will come and say I hate you. Okay, so the good news here is your daughter really loves you. Okay, I understand the feeling that we go through when our children say I hate you, because कौन सुनना चाहता है ये? Even I don't want to listen to it. I do so much for my child and my child is saying this to me. Nope. But we need to understand where it is coming from. Second, how to deal with it. Okay, now my child, suppose I'll take an example. My child wants to see screen, or my child wants to go to a friend's house and it is not possible today, and I say sorry, you cannot go today because of blah 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 reason. She really wants to go because she feels that I'm missing out what my friends are doing and blah, and but because for them their friends are everything, and she's like, I'm missing it out, you don't understand what I'm going through. Why do I have to study right now? I hate you. सबके घर में ऐसा नहीं होता है, मेरे घर में ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? And they go on. At that time what they need from you is your support. At that time ये नहीं चाहिए उनको कि you tell them, how dare you speak to me like this, why are you talking to my like this, इतना करता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए मैं, लेकिन तुम कुछ भी नहीं करते हो मेरे लिए, अभी होमवर्क करो. This is not what they need, because as I said, this reaction is coming out of frustration. This reaction is coming out of because they feel that you are literally controlling everything for them, which is true also. You are controlling everything for them, right? So at that point what they need from you is you just be calm, because remember, you're the elder one. You can definitely say that I don't like the tone you're talking to me in, and I understand that you're angry, and we'll talk about it later, but you're not going to your friend's house, period. You don't have to say too much. You have to let the storm pass. You seriously have to let the storm pass. If you don't let the storm pass, what will happen is your child is going to say I hate you, and you are going to start retaliating it to the child, and वो टू एंड फोर्थ में क्या होता रहेगा? चीज़ें और बढ़ती जाएंगी. So what you need to do in this situation is you stay calm, You say that I know that this is out of frustration that you're saying. I know you want to do it. My answer is still no. Another thing that you need to do is, which a lot of parents miss, is once the entire calm is like, once everything is sorted, your child is back to normal, ठीक है हो गया, शाम हो गई, that's when you go and repair with your child. You tell your child, even if you say I hate you, I will still love you. And you can always tell your child one thing, that my love is not conditional on what you feel about me. I will always love you no matter what. Children really need to listen to these words. We feel कि उनको पता है but नहीं. Okay, so you feeling bad as a dad, I understand, but remember, your child feels safe to say this in front of you. 2, she needs your calm at that time, not your lectures. 3, don't give in just because they have said I hate you. That is, it is, they have all the right to say it because they are frustrated, they do not have words, they do not know what else to do. When you're repairing with your child, then at that time you can give vocabulary to your child because your child is already 7 years old. Okay, at that time you can say you can, that I love you no matter what, even if you say I hate you. Next time if you feel frustrated about it, next time if you're feeling angry about it, you can say it in words. You don't have to say I hate you. You can just say it, Papa, I'm not liking what you're doing. Or Papa, I this really wanted to do this, but you're not letting me do it and I'm feeling angry. So instead of saying I hate you, you can just say I am angry because that is the truth. So give vocabulary to your child at that point of time. Okay, I hope this helped you. If any one of you have any questions, put it in the comments on YouTube after watching it, or on Facebook, or you can go to my Instagram and DM me and I'll take the questions there. You can register for my free parenting masterclass. Link is there in descriptions. This is absolutely free. Here we talk about how you can be a calm parent and a happy parent, and you can be a connected parent to your child. This is Divya signing off. This is Friday, so I'm going to see you next Monday. I'll wait for your questions till Monday, and I'll take one question at a day. Every day I come here live to answer that question for you. क्योंकि पता है क्या, पेरेंटिंग में मोर और लेस हम सबको सेम ही प्रॉब्लम्स होती है या सेम ही चैलेंजेस आते हैं. आई विल नॉट से प्रॉब्लम, सेम ही चैलेंजेस आते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी ट्राई टू वर्क अराउंड दोज चैलेंजेस, things slowly start becoming smoother and better for us. So until Monday, bye bye, happy weekend. And do one thing this weekend. जितना मर्जी बिजी वीकेंड हो या जितना मर्जी खाली वीकेंड हो ना, मेक श्योर यू गैदर everybody in your house. When I say mama, papa, dadi, dada, if you're in a joint family, then everybody. If only you 2 or 3 people are there, then 3 of you, okay, or 4 of you. And make sure you spend 20 minutes playing a game together. Can you do that? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, and if you're watching it later, then next weekend pe karna hai, tell me in comments. Just by playing a game as a family, it can change your family dynamics a lot. इतना सा ही करना है. सैटरडे संडे में बस इतना काम कर लो कि बैठ के एक गेम खेल लो. गेम ऑफ द चॉइस ऑफ द चाइल्ड दिस टाइम, उसके नेक्स्ट वीकेंड आपका, उसके नेक्स्ट वीकेंड आपके दूसरे बच्चे का, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. Small shifts in how we connect with our children actually change our relationship with our children. So till Monday, bye bye, happy parenting, and thank you so much for being such a conscious parent and growing with me as a parent. And see you on Monday.